Hello, this is Mr. Wynn, and this video is writing polynomial equations when given the roots. So this is actually an old topic you've seen before. If you know the solutions to a problem and you need to find the equation, you just got to know that solutions and factors are opposites. So if the problem was x minus 4 times x plus 7 equals 0, you said each factor equals 0, so x minus 4 equals 0 or x plus 7 equals 0. Solve each to get x equals positive 4, x equals negative 7. So if 4 and negative 7 are the solutions, then x minus 4 and x plus 7 are the factors. All you really do is change the sign and put it in parentheses next to x. Another way of thinking about this is if you know the answer is x equals 4, you could unsolve it by subtracting 4 from both sides to get x minus 4 equals 0. That would be the factor we need. One other rule is that you can't have a fraction inside a factor parentheses. So if you do, just move that denominator in front of x in that parentheses. And if they want standard form, make sure you multiply everything out, each parentheses. This will likely involve FOILing or double distributing. So find the equation of polynomial in standard form that has the solutions x equals negative 3 and x equals 7 or 4. So in this case, I'll actually just write it. Here are two answers. If I had to unsolve this, I have to move the negative 3 to the left by adding it. So x plus 3 equals 0. And here I'd subtract the fraction x minus 7 over 4 equals 0. So those are pretty much my factors. So I'll put them in parentheses. X plus 3 times x minus 7 over 4. Really, this is y equals. Alright, we're not allowed to have a fraction in there, so I'm going to move this denominator, this 4, to the front. So we write that as x plus 3 times 4x minus 7. I'm going to FOIL now. Let's double distribute. So x times 4x is 4x squared. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. That's going to be 12x, and that's going to be negative 21. Combine like terms, and I'm done. So there's something else with x squared. Negative 7 plus 12 is positive 5 with the x, first power, minus 21. That is my answer. If we graph this, you'll see that there's two x-intercepts, two roots, negative 3 and 7 over 4. Alright, so that's the quadratic, because we had two answers. Here we have three answers. This is going to be cubic, third power. So again, find the equation of the polynomial in standard form that has those solutions. So if you know x equals negative 1, x equals positive 2, and x equals 5, unsolve all three of them by moving the thing to the left. So I'm going to add 1 in this case. That's my factor. I'm going to subtract 2 in this problem. I'm going to subtract 5 in this problem. There's no parentheses, so that's kind of nice. I'm going to go straight to writing the equation. So y equals x plus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 5. And actually the order does not matter. We had to multiply because they want standard form. Otherwise, that is the perfectly fine equation. It's just not, that's in factor form, not standard form. I'm going to FOIL the first two. So I'm going to do this. Ignore the third one for now. It's going to be in parentheses. So it's going to be x squared minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. That's still going to multiply this thing out here. Instead of doing quadruple distribute, I'm going to simplify the inside the first one. So let's see. Negative 2x plus x is negative 1x. Now I have less multiplying, but now I'm going to finally multiply those two. I'm going to triple distribute here, so x squared times both of these. So what is that? That is x to the third power minus 5x squared. Then I got to do this one, negative x times both of those. That's going to be negative x squared, positive 5x. And this negative 2, multiply both of those as well. Negative 2x, positive 10. Combine like terms, then I'm done. Put this y here. I'm telling you to write the y at the very end. Alright, x3, there's only one of those. Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6x squared. 5 minus 2 is positive 3x plus 10. That is my answer. That equation will have the three x-intercepts, negative 1, 2, and 5. And I did graph this, I believe. Here's the equation. Y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x plus 10. There's three x-intercepts. So they're oops, missed it. Still didn't get it. Alright. There you go. So negative 1, positive 2, and 5. And you see it's cubic. There's one relative max, one relative min. It looks like a sideways S. Alright, so there's that. The last one, a little trickier one, is this. It says, remember that complex roots, the matching answers, always come in pairs. So the pairs always conjugate pairs. For example, if you have 5 plus 2i, that's an answer. You also have 5 minus 2i as an answer. So here it says find the polynomial equation in standard form that has solutions 4 and 3i. So be careful. We know there's 3 answers. They only also gave us 2. We know the answer is x equals 4, x equals 0 plus 3i, and then we have x equals 0 minus 3i. Alright, I'm going to unsolve each of those to find the factors. That's just x minus 4. This is going to be x minus 3i. This is going to be x plus 3i equals 0. Like before, I'm going to multiply these. X minus 4, x minus 3i, x plus 3i. Alright, I'm going to multiply 2 at a time. Now, I'm going to be smart. I'm not going to multiply the first 2. I'm going to do the second 2. So I'm going to leave this x minus 4 alone for now. I'm going to FOIL this, or double distribute this. So I get x times x is x squared. X times 3i is positive 3xi. Negative 3i times x is negative 3xi. Then negative 3i times positive 3i is negative 9i squared. I'm going to combine terms in the inside. Positive 3xi minus x cancels out. And also negative 9i squared, remember, right here. So negative 9i squared is really negative 9 times negative 1, because I squared equals negative 1. So write that in case I forgot. So really, this is positive 9. So what we're at now is x plus 4, or minus 4, times x squared plus 9. I'm going to FOIL that. So x times x squared and all this. I get x to the third power, positive 9x, minus 4x squared, minus 36. Combine terms, there is no combine terms, but we should put in the correct order. X to the third power goes first, x squared goes second, it is negative, x goes third, it's positive 9, and the constant goes less. Alright, that is the answer there. That's the whole video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you ask a question in class. See you soon. Bye.